Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why is your ROBOROCK QRevo Curv not emptying. So after it stops cleaning and goes into the charging base and it's not emptying itself, you can empty it manually. It sometimes just occurs because it may just stop cleaning, something goes wrong, and then it just forgets about emptying itself. So in order to empty it manually, you can either do it by opening the top lid, then taking out the dustbin, then you can take this lid off and empty it, or you can also just force it to empty itself by going to the charging station. So let me just click on the home button.
Returning to dock.
It will return to dock. Then you can click on the home button again after it returns and it'll empty itself. So let's wait until it returns.
Charging.
And now when it's charging, just click on the home button again.
Emptying dustbin.
It'll start emptying dustbin.
Emptying stop.
I've stopped it by clicking on the power button. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.